cake.
Hello YouTube, on se retrouve pour l'épisode numéro 2 de la série Résilience. On est le lundi 20 janvier et ça fait un petit bout de temps que j'ai pas filmé depuis l'épisode 1. On va dire qu'il y a eu quelques petites choses qui ont fait que j'ai pas pu filmer, donc me voilà, mais en tout cas mes vidéos sont planifiées jusqu'à fin mars en principe, donc je vais essayer de m'y tenir. Une vidéo par semaine si possible, tous les dimanches. Exceptionnellement cette semaine je vais essayer d'en faire 2, donc une qui sortira le mercredi, donc en principe celle d'aujourd'hui, et une autre qui sortira le dimanche. Atlas ? Voilà. Du coup, je me suis levée, j'ai pris mon prêt et là on est parti promener. Et après je vais aller à la salle faire les jambes et je vous emmène du coup avec moi sur mon training quad. Ok, du coup, premier exercice, j'espère qu'on va bien m'entendre. Je vais mettre les micros juste après. C'est Nico qui les a dans son sac, donc j'attends juste de les récupérer. Premier exercice, du coup, on a un super set, 6 squats en premier, leg extension juste derrière, 3 séries de 10 à 15 reps.
Yo, job well done, I'm gonna spin that bin back. No, we ain't down for the chit chat. Running through blocks, done thought I was lost. You see that clock when he done him the zigzag. What's that about? What the fuck's the link ups about? What's going on, man? Yo, look, job weren't done, I'm gonna spin that bin bag. No, we ain't down for the chit chat. Running through blocks, done thought I was lost. You see that clock when he done him the zigzag. Fully involved, I'ma send that. Oh, you know the white came rap and it's coming like riff-raff. No phone calls in the tea, cause the signals peak. Got me upset, ringing down gift gap. No, they ain't got a match come live like ours is. In a circle, you know you're the target. I was upset when I never saw none, and he done too wrong, so he got recorded. Bros in Joe with the scouts was plugs. Anytime that he phones, go, I'm saying yo, Arcade. Said it's on road, but he ain't involved. I mean, looking at bro, but I'm still discharging. You know, me and my bros ain't buy 'em. Me and my G, that breeze, no cap. If it weren't me and the bros, you sliding. Dirty position, recline that back. Post trauma, had their block on hiding. What's riding when they're firing blanks? No hand signs, we ain't doing up miming. No hand signs when we let that slap. I'm sorry, hun. Your man ain't shit, I'll send him the addy, he still won't come. He's a bitch. Go spin this whip, or empty the clip, you know I don't stunt. Oh man, I came with 6, I beat off 6, and I got none. I won't leave till the joke is done. I'm sorry, hun. Your man ain't shit, I'll send him the addy, he still won't come. He's a bitch. It could've been more, he could've got 4, but only got 1. Oh man, I came with 6, I beat off 6, and I got none. I won't leave till the joke is done. Yo. Got a will with a Smith, me and this smash are entangled still. I was out late on a local piss, they ain't got hot, couldn't take this thrill. Side by side in a ride that's light, I'ma hold that tight, I'ma break that seal. I don't win, so I went, then I cut through. Cutie, she's pretty as fuck, loving the way man rocks with it. Big smile when I step in the...
Deuxième exercice maintenant, hack squat, 2 séries. Premier set 6 à 10 reps et deuxième set 10 à 15 reps. C'est la première fois que j'utilise le hack squat de chez Matrix. Il est à dégueu, on va dire. Le seul truc, c'est que vu que je suis petite, je bute facilement sur les sécurités quand je suis en bas du mouvement. Sachant même que je suis pas au max de mon amplitude. Du coup, ça me perturbe un peu parce que j'ai pas trop mes repères encore dessus, donc je bute quasiment sur chaque rep. Donc il y a juste ça où il va falloir que j'essaie de faire attention.
Act up, beat off the match with confidence. They got no corn, their friends been scored. They got no work on documents. No corn for the night, so I grabbed that 12 for an IOU, no consonant. Sweet one, take this. She said that I might get raided. You know, me and my bros are the ones who does this. We made the whole block vacant. Nuku, spaceship. It's only a bag man paid him. You know, we make things look bossy as fuck. We ride in comfort bacon. I'm sorry, hun. Your man is shit, I'll send him the addy, he still won't come. He's a bitch. Go spin this whip or empty the clip, you know I don't stunt. Oh man, I came with 6, I beat on 6 and I got none. I won't leave till the joke is done. I'm sorry, hun. Your man is shit, I'll send him the addy, he still won't come. He's a bitch. It could have been more, he could have got 4, but only got 1. Oh man, I came with 6, I beat on 6 and I got none. I won't leave till the joke is done.
Are you gonna talk to my friends? When your friend got quit, your bridge is dead, and your other bridge is dead, and your other bridge is dead, and your other bridge is dead. They don't want to ride for the guys in the sky. Why could he might just end up dead? How you gonna talk to my friends? When your friend got quit, your bridge is dead, and your other bridge is dead, and your other bridge is dead, and your other bridge is dead. They don't want to ride for the guys in the sky. Why could he might just end up dead?
Talk about gang get drenched. One of the ops gonna rap for the friends. No CJ if he had some heart. His top got left all red. Man fat got left for dead. Same way Lats got front off the ped. I sliced it Ricks that works for shit but still made jet black bled. How many ops are dead?
On a fini donc sur le hack squat, donc les 2 sets. Je suis contente parce que j'ai eu aucune douleur articulaire, également musculaire. Parce que dernièrement, j'avais pas mal de problèmes au niveau des genoux suite à ma blessure lombaire. Donc ça se répercutait dans les genoux parce que je compensais avec les genoux. Et j'ai tendance à avoir... là, ça a l'air d'aller mieux visiblement. Les nerfs qui se pincent au niveau des genoux. Et du coup, ça me fait des grosses décharges de douleur en fait dans les mollets quand en fait j'ai une flexion de genou tout simplement. Au final, sur le CC squat, rien du tout. Sur le hack squat, rien du tout non plus, donc très contente. Donc j'espère que pour la suite de la séance, ça va pas me poser problème. Du coup, là, on passe sur le 3e exercice, l'avant-dernier exercice. On passe sur des fentes marchées, donc vraiment en focus quad. Et donc du coup j'applique la technique montrée par Pierre Le Sueur pour augmenter la flexion de genou, notamment en fait quand on est une personne avec des petites jambes. Donc qui consiste en fait à laisser partir la jambe d'appui, donc la jambe qui est à l'arrière au final sur le côté, laisser partir donc le genou sur le côté pour ouvrir la hanche et permettre d'accentuer la flexion de genou et recruter donc plus le quadriceps. Donc on est parti, 2 sets de 20 à 30 pas sur chacun des sets. Ça en principe après c'est le décès.
GB got filled with lead, it should have hit SK instead. It's calm, he's also dead, no skin, it's tense like dead man shed. Well, gone for these new plate use, like KT and the pussy or Ted. OS got Chingvi's auntie, Rizzy Ramps got Chingvi's mum. My first Ching was outside the party, GB got hit with a gun. Inco got Ching for a carty, Loose Screw got Chingvi's hun. Outside Melissa's bit, me and Yasmin the Moscow Spartan run.
Are you gonna talk to my friends? When your friend got quit, your bridge is dead, and your other bridge is dead, and your other bridge is dead, and your other bridge is dead. They don't want to ride for the guys in the sky. Why could he might just end up dead? How you gonna talk to my friends? When your friend got quit, your bridge is dead, and your other bridge is dead, and your other bridge is dead, and your other bridge is dead. They don't want to ride for the guys in the sky. Why could he might just end up dead?
Fente marchée terminée. C'est je pense un des pires trucs. C'est affreux. À la fois j'adore et à la fois c'est complètement affreux parce que c'est hyper taxant. Sur l'avant-dernier exercice, parce que je me suis trompée, il me restait 3 exercices avant de commencer les fentes. Donc là il m'en reste 2, il me reste la presse, j'ai 2 séries de 10 à 15 reps et après j'ai 2 séries de 10 à 15 reps pareil sur les adducteurs.
Trigger man down the skate. I did it with love from my bro, same way I still did it with hate. Yo, roll on the pig on the stick, who's pin, I don't know how much more they can take. It's dark cause I'm really out late. I'm pissed I can't run from jits, cause I smoke too much, I ain't really in shape. They want me in cheese like a slave for a hit station, I ain't trying to get caged. I'm trying to get paid. Yo, I just want money, not fame. Bad bees don't know my name. She tell me she wanna be mine when I said no way, now she wanna go plain. But I don't want love, just brain. Ride out back, that squeeze and aim. Wait, how can you hashtag names your rap for your mates, graved up for a shame? If I was you, I'd be ashamed. G Bellato, I'm billing up rage. Super Ami, small SA. And Colato's getting me wave. LCJs get smoked to the face. Are you gonna talk to my friends? When your friend got quit, your bridge is dead, and your other bridge is dead, and your other bridge is dead, and your other bridge is dead.
La presse terminée. La presse est merdique, on va pas se mentir. Très peu d'amplitude. parce que je bute à chaque fois sur les sécurités. Je peux pas les descendre plus bas. Flexion de genoux pas incroyable, parce que la machine est faite comme ça. Quand je peux pas mettre mes pieds plus bas sur le plateau, sinon je peux pas, j'ai encore moins d'amplitude. Et puis on en parle aussi du fait que ce soit des génies schématiques, ça foutre les poignets pour raquer et déraquer super en avant. Genre comme ça, t'es bien sûr d'être à deux doigts de mourir à chaque fois que tu dois raquer ton truc. Enfin bref. Les 2 sets c'est fait. J'ai pas filmé le deuxième set, par contre le deuxième set était bien meilleur que le premier. Et du coup on passe sur les adducteurs, 2 sets, 10-15 reps. Et après juste un peu de marche sur tapis incliné et on est good.
They don't want right for the guy in the sky. Why? Cause he might just end up dead. How you gonna talk of my friends when your friend got queft? Your bridge is dead. And your other bridge is dead. And your other bridge is dead. And your other bridge is dead. They don't want right for the guy in the sky. Why? Cause he might just end up dead. Pull up skirt, have them panicking. Pull up skirt, what's happening? You just got the road we scurving. Double tap in the back with the German. Drop me up, wine on the window, back up the spinner and burst him. Bucking with me, that's curtains. Food get wrapped like turbans. I put bullets in numerous skies. Like, how come the ops ain't learning? We got bread and got burners. So look, we splash and got murdered. Might get the pack and disperse it. Everything I got, man, I earned it. If the bridge is weak, then I burn it. Free criminal, we got birded. That's the L, but I know we'll firm it. I was vexed when I heard that verdict. Chef, swim, dip man down, make him drown in his blood. Knock, boo, never left that trap till I found that grub. OT chip tryna get some funds. We get bread and invest in guns. Them boy run when we chat them drums. Chain splash in his lungs. I just put 4 Z's in Pebs. Plus I got bits for man if you need it. Bitch one dip man G, I'm skiing. Gal can't tell me about eating, I mean it. Blood on my shank man, keep it, clean it. Use hot water and bleach it. Feds tryna chase, got rams on my waist. Yeah, feds coming up and leaping. You see me? You see it? My sis man's on that topic. You want smoke man, back up my shank on violence, I move psychotic. And this gang on sell man, cop it. Drop it, whip it and rock it. Apartment settings with love from damn, got tea with smelling no tropic. We run west, that's facts. App, them boy there live on tracks. Get round there, some rise and waps. Jason put his whole rams on your hat. Remember that day?